Smear fan. Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to perform the smear fan. To perform this move, hold half the deck in a sideways straddle with the middle and ring fingers at the short edge and the pinky and index fingers at opposite long edges around a quarter of the way up the cards. Grip the cards at the first joint of the fingers. Now move your thumb to the bottom edge closest to the pinky and make contact with the cards. You now transfer the grip so the cards are held by the thumb, ring and middle fingers. At the same time, release the grip with your index and pinky finger and move your index finger to the back of the deck next to your middle finger and let your pinky finger rest beside the ring finger. Next you want to perform the smear motion. To do this, apply pressure downwards with the thumb and move your thumb upwards in a rotational motion. At the same time, using your index, middle and ring fingers, drag the cards downwards like so. This is how it looks slowly. To close the fan, reverse the motion, sliding your thumb and fingers back to their original positions. We would recommend placing your pinky at the long edge when you can and close the cards onto this for support to make the closer cleaner. Now place the cards back onto the deck. It is also recommended you learn this in both hands. Do as we did, but mirror the actions like so. Get into the grip, move your thumb and perform the smear action. If you want to perform the fans in both hands at the same time, begin by performing a riffle shuffle, then modify the grip and perform the fans. To close the cards in both hands, join the fans up like so and reverse the motion of the fan. Then you can square the cards up on your non-dominant hand. Smear fan tips. Experiment with the amount of pressure you place on the cards with your thumb during the smearing motion to get the smoothest fan. The type of deck matters when fanning and would recommend using a smooth deck, but not one which is too slippery, as these will fall out of your hand, especially if you're a beginner. Once again, try out different decks at different stages in their life to see which suits you best. We would also recommend practicing with half the deck to begin with, and if you'd like, slowly building it up to a full deck. To make the fan look bigger, extend your thumb fully as far as you can, but make sure to maintain pressure with the side of the thumb as you do.